Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video we will see one more string operation, that is strlen to find out the length of the string. So to do that I have declared some code here. I've written some code here and I've included this header file, that is string.h, to call our function, and I've declared two strings here. So one is a character pointer, and this character pointer is storing the address of this string, which is containing 6 number of characters, and this second one is a array of characters, which is containing 10 number of characters into the string, and the array is of 128 bytes. So to find out the length of the string, you have to call this function, that is strlen, and it takes only one parameter, which is the address of the string. So first of all we'll pass ptr here, which contains these strings containing 6 number of characters. So what this strlen will return is the number of characters in the strings. So we have to catch that number into an integer, and we can print this using our printf statement, that is num. So what it will return is length of the string, length of the string. So we have to compile it, and after compiling you will see it will give us the length of the string. So here you will see the length of this string is 6. So as this ptr is containing only 6 characters, that is have included this number as characters. So this 6 number of characters is there into this ptr, so it will return us 6. But if you pass here str, it will print the number of characters in the string itself. So it will not return this size of array, but it will return the number of characters into this string. So I've changed this parameter to str, and now it will return uh, 10, as it is containing 10 number of characters here. So to check that, I'll just compile it and run it. So here you will see now it is returning 10, as the number of characters in the string is 128. So if you want to print the size of an array, you can use the size of function, that is size of operator, and if you pass str into it, and if you store this value into a variable, and if you try to print that, it will give you the size of an array, that is size. So in this case it will give us the length of the string and size of an array into the same printf statement. So here you will see that the length of the string is 10 and the size of array is 128. So in that way you can get the size of array using size of operator, and the number of characters into the string using strlen function. So that's all about the strlen function. So if you have any doubts, do let me know in comments, and thank you for watching.